Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill the Diva. As you can see, I already braided my hair because today I'm going to be placing a wig on it. So I have to have it braided down and have it prepared for that wig. The wig I'm going to be reviewing today is from this company called BGMgirl. This is my first time working with this company, so I really don't know that much about them. I'm going to go right on ahead and dig into the box to see what I have. I got a pair of stocking cap, and this is always something that I need, so I don't mind getting these with my wigs. I also got a pair of lashes, and y'all know me, I wear lashes in all my videos, so I really don't mind getting them. This is the hair, guys, blonde, 26 inches, 180 density. This is not a lace front wig, this is a lace closure wig, so this is gonna be an easy one to install. First, I'm going to put a stocking cap on, and this is something I do every time I'm going to put on a wig. Now I'm going to put on the wig to see what I need to do with it to make it look natural on my head. The first thing I noticed is that the root of the hair does not look natural. Also, I noticed that I could wear this wig without gluing it on, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. Usually when I get lace closure wigs, I like to do center parts because it makes it so much easier for me to customize. I pinned the hair in the back just so I could get it out my way while I work on the front, and I'm also gonna go right ahead and cut the lace off of it. So far it's looking good, and as you can see, I don't need to glue it on. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is I'm gonna take it off, and then I'm gonna put some foundation on the lace on the inside of it. Now that I add the foundation on the lace on the inside, you could definitely see the difference, and now it looks like the hair is coming from my skin. I'm using the hot comb to flatten the hair around my parting, and this is definitely gonna make it look more natural. Now I'm trying to use my flat iron to curl my hair. I did not want to take the wig back off because I feel like it was sitting perfectly fine where it was. So I did not want to take it back off and have to put it back on. So I decided to flat iron my hair while the wig was on my head, and this was a total disaster. And it's not like I've never done this before, but for some reason today was a total struggle, as you can see here. So I decided to go off camera and do it, and then come back and show you guys what it looks like. And that's just me complaining, like, why is it not working? Why is it not working for me? At this point, I finally decided to do some pin curls, and that's what I'm doing right now. This is what it looks like after I was finished with the pin curls, and as you can tell from my reaction, I absolutely loved them. My hair didn't really take the curls like I wanted it to, but overall I still love it. I still wish I took the wig off, put it on a mannequin, curl it, and use my hairspray, all of that stuff, but I mean, I could work with it for today. Again, this hair is from BGMgirl Hair, and I'll leave all the information down in the description box below. So if you guys are interested, definitely do check that out. I love the fact that I could wear this wig without gluing it on. So definitely I'm going to keep it closed because I'm going to be putting it on my head every now and then. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them down in the comment box below. I'll definitely get back to them as soon as I possibly can. If this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!